Hi everyone and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So as always, we're going to begin taking a walk around the exterior of the car. I'm going to talk you through both exterior and interior major talking points. Then of course I'll go around, take a seat inside the vehicle, where once we're there we'll go a bit more in depth. The vehicle we have here for you is a 220D M Sport Coupe, and as you can see it's presented in the Alpine white, and alongside that we've fitted the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit, and of course that is very standout when it is set against the Alpine white. We've also had the 18-inch M Sport alloy wheels fully refurbished, alongside replacing the two front tyres, which are of course brand new tyres. There at the front of the car you'll notice is a 2014 14 plate, the gloss black front splitter and matching kidney grills. Moving down the side of the vehicle, we've got the satin side vinyls and YNC Mperformance decals. You will already be able to notice that very striking coral red Dakota leather, which especially on the 2 Series is definitely one of the most popular and certainly one of my favourite colour combinations. Moving on to give you a glimpse of that very nice interior, and as you can see it is in very nice condition and comes with both the electric lumbar and the heated seat options for both drivers and passengers front. The seat arrangement for rear passengers on the 2 Series is a very nice spacious ISOFIX 2x2 seat arrangement with the centre storage tray, and of course being the M Sport model we also retain that lovely darkened M Sport headlining, which once again is all in nice condition. Whilst we're making our way around, I'll show you again the lovely black 18-inch M Sport alloy wheels. At the rear of the vehicle we've got the high gloss rear boot spoiler and again matching rear diffuser. Now often people are surprised with just how large the boot space is for the 2 Series Coupe. Although the entrance space is that little bit compromised because to keep the lines nice and short for the styling purposes, it is a very deep long boot space as you can see there. And of course, owing to the fact that the vehicle does have the split folding seat option, you can of course extend that, meaning it is does have one of the largest luggage capacities in the class. Moving round to the other side of the vehicle, where again we'll just take a couple of seconds to appreciate how well these two colours do work and how much of a nicely presented vehicle this 220D M Sport really is. Moving on inside the car, because there is yet more special things to go through of course. I'm going to make myself comfortable, and now I'm sat inside the vehicle. Straight away we're greeted by the nice Bmw Satnav and media screen. You'll already be able to see, as I've mentioned, we've got the heated seat option here. Alongside that it does come with the highly coveted 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. This is noted by the fact we have got the flappy pedals behind the multi-function M Sport steering wheel. Alongside that we've got the speed limiter option on this vehicle, along with the voice and volume controls and the mode select. This 220D has covered just over 73,000 miles, however it looks in fantastic condition inside and out, and everything feels, looks and sounds exactly the same as one that has covered a little bit less mileage. In terms of the features of this screen, you'll see there that it does of course come with DAB radio, along with a few other wide array of multimedia inputs. The navigation feature is also one that is equipped on this vehicle and is a very user-friendly system, along with Bluetooth telephone, as you can see on screen now. Heading back to the main menu, we'll go ahead and have a look at the service requirements and service history of the car itself. And currently shown on screen, as you can see there, everything is highlighted in the green, indicating that the service life of all of the requirements is all okay. The engine oil is not due a service for 16,000 miles, and this vehicle does have a full extensive BMW service history. Again, as you can currently see now on screen, going right through back there to the services. The most recent visit to BMW was at 71855, and that was for a full service including all of the filters. So with all our videos guys, I do hope you've enjoyed it and found it useful, and if you do have any questions or comments, please do feel free to drop them down below, where as always I will be happy to get back to you as soon as possible. And if you are wanting to find out further information on this vehicle, again you'll find that relevant links down below in the description, along with the contact information for ourselves here at Your Next Car. And if you do want to stay up to date with all of the latest and newest stock here at Your Next Car, you can of course remember to hit that subscribe button. That way you can see all of the latest and newest vehicles that arrive here at Your Next Car. Thanks for watching, take care and goodbye.